everybody, it's Emily from Vintage Polka Dot Shop, and today I'm here with my very first ever unboxing video from Your Creative Studio. She reached out to me on Instagram and asked if I would do an unboxing and a project, and I thought, oh, that sounds like fun. Craft supplies in the mail. So she said, disregard this, that this is actually December's box. She told me it was the sewing one, which is perfect. My mind has been spinning. I don't know what's in here, so I'm looking forward to seeing. Oh, look, more tape. Hold on a second. Hold on, I gotta get scissors. I had taped part of it, but not all of it, because, you know, didn't see it. As I said, first time I've ever done this. I'm very, very excited. I love Your Creative Studio style. I've seen other unboxings. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Isn't that packaged beautifully? Oh, okay. Let's see. I don't know. Excuse me while I be awkward. Boy, how much fun is this to get in the mail? And today is Friday, St. Patrick's Day, so I feel like a little leprechaun left it for me. Okay. I don't want to tear the paper. It's so pretty. Oh, look at all the goodness. Okie dokie. So, what do we got here? Oh, washi. Oh, I love washi. And look how cute this is packaged. It's like a little bag. Oh, wouldn't that be a cute pocket in a journal? Just the packaging. All right, so I'll have to cut it carefully so I can... Oh, now this is a sewing theme, so let's see, can we... Sorry for the classy sounds. Oh, look at that. There's like a bobbin. Oh, I can't remember what that's called. I think that's for tatting. Ooh, and a vintage style sewing machine. Oh, that is fabulous. Look at that. So pretty. Oh, I'm going to have fun with that. Oh, the mind is spinning already. The mind is spinning. All right. So then, ooh, cute. It says they're little note cards, and it says checklist. I like the color. Kind of has that Victorian. Oh, boy. Oh, look, it's already got a little thing. And by the way, I'm going to put a link. They still have this spot. I didn't want to look in it, so I didn't, I just quickly looked and then looked away because I wanted to be surprised. But this is still available on their website, so I will put a link to it. Let's see. Oh, here's the... Trying to be careful. I want to keep everything pretty. I love packaging anyway. Oh, it took me forever to be bold enough to open up my Tim Holtz packaging because I love it. Okay, so it's just a cute little notepad. Oh, there's different things. So there's like a day of the week. Oh, this would be such cute for collage and journaling cards. So we got days of the week. And then like a little to-do list. Oh, I like this. This is super cute. And then a to-do list. That's a little different than the checklist. So cute. Oh, okay. Move on. Alrighty. Oh, I see something cute in there, but I'm not going to jump ahead. So another cute. And this, oh, a cling stamp. Oh, dang, I love stamps. I didn't grab ink. Oh my gosh. I love it. I love it. It's a vintage style sewing machine. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so up my alley. That's what it looks like. Ah. Okay, I did forget about the rest of the box. Okay, so that's cool. And then, what's this? This says, excuse my old eyes. Ooh, masking tape. So, wow. Oh, gosh, look at this. Oh, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but oh, this could be fun. I love little bordered things. Okay, I can't find the edge. There we go. Excuse me while I stumble around. Look at this. Okay, hold it up. Can you see that? Isn't that? Oh my gosh. My mind is already spinning. I'm thinking even just like a little bit on a journal page, a tag. I just made 88 tags, which I guess I should do a project share with you guys. Just, I don't know if you'd be interested or not, but so I've got that on the brain, like, oh, I could use that for tags. Oh, what do we got? Oh, guys, look. Ooh. The doilies. Oh my gosh. Oh, and just look at the tag, the packaging. I mean, that's the thing too. Oh, and it's nice and thick. It's good quality. Oh, that's nice. Oh boy. Okay. So, okay, I'm going to jump ahead. Oh, no. I did see these in the photo. Oh my gosh. These are so pretty. Now, I know it says, I mean, they are real scissors. See, they've got the thing. But when I saw these, I wonder if you could just put these on a, well, probably not because they're too sharp. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, I need a piece of paper. I need a piece of paper. Here's a piece of paper. Oh, of course, you know. No, this is for cutting threads. Oh, I'm going to put these by my sewing machine. I'm going to put a little hook on the side of my machine, a command hook, and I'm going to hang these there. And these are going to be for clipping threads and whatnot because these are so pretty. They need to be out. Oh. Okay, that is what I'm doing with these. I'm going to put the little cap back on. I had other creative ideas, but nope, these are too pretty. I don't know. Can you see? I wonder if they have just these for sale. Wouldn't that be pretty as a gift? Because even like when you sew on paper, oh, okay. And look at that packaging. I love packaging. Okay. All right. Move on. Come on. Let's speed it up, Emily. Speed it up. Because look at this. Like for if you're doing a vintage style or sewing journal, a charm. A sewing machine charm. Okay, I'm going to take it out. Yep, it's got the little, oh, trying to look here. Kind of ding. Oh, I mean, oh, I'm looking at my laptop, trying to look at, oh, I'm ecstatic. Oh boy. I think I know what I want my project to be, and oh my, so much good stuff. All right. Oh, another cling stamp. I wonder if it's that. I'm starting to catch on here. Oh, look at this envelope. Oh, I wonder if I can get anywho's. Oh, they're individual. So look at that. A little measuring tape. Oh my gosh. A little thread. And then a little bobbin. And then look at this packaging. As I said, look at this envelope. I think I could peel. Look at that. That's going in my journal. Okay. So, ooh, what do we got? What do we got? All right. It doesn't. Okay. Oh, stamp sticker set. Ooh. Because I am loving these. And I love that the back, they're clear. Oh. So we got Paris and Italy and New York. So we got that one. And then there, oh, look at this with like the, like for doing postcards and stuff and transportation. Sorry. I'm like busy looking at them and forgetting I need to share. Oh, guys, just think about these for collage. And as I said, I got tags on the brain, so it kind of went there. And we got some more kind of transportation-y ones. Fabulous. Oh, and we flip them. So we got like cameras. Oh, and just happy words. I feel good. Homestead. Long playing record. These are awesome. Oh. Look at that. Fantastic. Oh, I will totally be using those. Ooh, are these transfers? It doesn't say. I think they're just clear stickers. But look at that. Oh, do these match? I already lost the scissors. Boy, you know, some people are tidy, and then there's me. Not quite, but definitely inspired by. I love these scissors. Okay. And then, oh, I got the paper. So, I have to find the flap. Hold on a second. Oh, it's on the front. All right. So cute. I like how everything color-wise coordinates, you know, but yet not overly matchy-matchy. Just they go together without being like totally blah. Oh, and look, it matches the sticker. Can you see that? So cute. Oh, I love this one. Love it. Ooh, it's pretty. And these are one-sided, and they're really, I mean, they're really nice. Like, they're not super thin. I mean, they feel like not coated, but just like really nice quality. Like, that's, you could use that for a lot of things and not. That's nice. Okay. And then, last but not least, alrighty. Oh, and the flap is, gotta do the flap. And so, paper ephemera is what it says. And then you got this nice card. So what have so we got like journaling cards. Man, they've done all the work for me. That. Oh, cool. You get more than one. So you don't have to like hoard it and go, oh, I love that one. I don't want to use it. Isn't that funny how we are? Oh, and they're nice. They're like, I'm trying to describe the texture and I can't. It almost feels, they don't feel like vinyl, but you know, like if you get a vinyl sticker and it's smooth, they feel like that. They just feel like soft, not shiny or slick, but just like good quality. Oh, look at that. So pretty. What is it? A bobbin? But that might be a seam ripper. No. If you know, say in the comments below, it might be a seam ripper. But it doesn't have, well, I don't know. It's something we don't really, it doesn't look like what we use now. And then we've got some with the frames. And then, okay, look at this one. So you get one. So it looks like you get 3 of each design for journaling cards. Ooh, can you see that? Pretty. I like that. Yeah. And then, I don't know, can you see that? Oh boy. Let me make sure I think this, yeah, that was it. There's just so thick that I was like, oh, but not too thick. All right. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much for sending these to me. And I'm going to get on my project like ASAP because I am like kicking around ideas. And I will put a link down below to this box. And they have where you can just go and buy like the theme boxes, which is so cool because, you know, if you're working on a Victorian style sewing journal, then there you go. A whole bunch of fun treasures to get in the mail. Oh, one last look. Look at all these. I love these stickers. I absolutely, I love stickers anyway. Oh, that's the back. And then, look at this guy. I don't know what that is. That's funny. I love these old vintagey images. They're so up my alley. Oh, and then, oh, and then that one. Oh, I love the crown. And we got the doily. And I'm most excited about the stamps because I just love stamps. Look at, oh, I can hardly wait to play with this one. All right, guys, thank you for watching. And let me know if you have any questions. And keep your eye out for the project I will be making with all these wonderful goodies. See you in the next one. Bye.